Hello everyone and welcome to Valinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your mouse lagging or freezing on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. If your mouse cursor is stuttering, freezing, or lagging, there are several solutions to resolve this issue. First, open the Start menu on your computer and search for Settings. Click on the Settings window. On the left-hand side, select Bluetooth and Devices. Then scroll down to Mouse and click on it. Scroll down to the option that says Scroll Inactive Windows when hovering, and ensure this is turned off and disabled. After that, scroll down to Additional Mouse Settings and click on it. Then, select Pointer Options. Make sure that Display Pointer Trails is also turned off and disabled. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager. Click on the Device Manager window. Expand the section labeled Mice and Other Pointing Devices by clicking the drop-down arrow. Right-click on your mouse from the list and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. If the system indicates that the best drivers are already installed, right-click on your mouse once more. Select Update Driver, and then choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Next, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. You can then try the different options in the list. If there is more than one option, try each one. For example, start with the top option, click Next, and if it does not resolve the issue, try the option below it. If the problem persists, right-click on your mouse again and select Uninstall Device, then click Uninstall. After doing this, your mouse may stop working. Restart your computer. This action will reinstall the mouse drivers. Once your computer has restarted, check if this has solved the issue. If you have tried all the previous steps, unplug your mouse from the USB port. Once all cables are detached, try reinserting them into a different USB port on your computer. If this still does not work, there might be an issue with the sensor on your mouse itself. Locate the sensor, usually on the bottom of the mouse, and try blowing firmly into it to dislodge any dust or debris. Repeat this process a couple of times. You can also use a cotton swab to clean the sensor, then check if this resolves the problem. If your mouse is battery-powered, try changing the batteries. As a final step, if you have an external or second monitor connected to your computer, this can sometimes cause the lagging issue. Try disconnecting the second monitor and then reconnecting it. This can also help resolve the problem. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.